How to contact eBay customer service. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact eBay customer service. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your ebay.com and register or log in with your existing eBay account. And from the home page, kindly click Help and Contact on the top options, in which by doing so, it will lead you in here. You can raise your concern with different kind of option, such as on the search bar, you can type the specific concern or issue you may experience, while below is the category that you can choose to raise your concern or issue you're having on this website. So let's say you're having an issue about tracking your item, kindly click on it, and from here you will see the details that you can do in order to resolve your issue. While for other options of raising your concerns and issue, all you need to do is to scroll down. You will find different kind of helpful articles that may help you to resolve the issue. Or you can simply clicking on this, Contact Us, in which by doing so, it will lead you into here. You may choose a different kind of categories depending on the concerns or issue that you're experiencing. And let's say I'm having trouble with my account. So just click Account and choose the subcategories of your concern. Let's say I'm having trouble with my seller performance overview. So kindly click on it, and from here you will see the details of your concerns. And in order to contact customer service, kindly click on the left side panel, Chat with our automated assistant. And after that, we'll now have a contact with our AI assistant. But if you want to contact with our agent, all you need to do is to click See More, and afterwards just scroll down and click Contact an Agent, in which by doing so, it will enable you to contact with your agent. And from here, you can now raise your concern or issue that you're experiencing with our website. Or another option, on the left side panel, you can choose Ask the Community, in which a bunch of people that are not an agent may answer your question or help you to resolve the issue that you're having. So that is just how to contact eBay customer service. Thank you.